Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Now, if you're like me, someone who spent more than a few Saturday mornings elbow deep in sawdust, you know that a good tool isn't just about saving time. It's about pride in the craft, the satisfaction of a joint that fits just right, and the quiet joy of building something that lasts. Lately, I've been hearing a lot about pocket hole joinery from the younger DIY crowd, how it's quick, forgiving, and perfect for everything from sheds to kids' cribs. And while I've always leaned toward traditional methods, I'll admit I was curious. What if there's a way to keep up with the times without sacrificing quality? That curiosity led me straight to the VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit, priced at just $42. It promises a lot for not much money. So, could this be the tool that bridges the gap between old school pride and modern efficiency? Let's find out. Now, I've been around the block a few times when it comes to tools, started tinkering in my dad's garage back in the 60s, and haven't stopped since. When I heard about pocket hole jigs, I'll admit I was skeptical. Old school guy like me prefers dowels and biscuits, but I figured it was time to give modern methods a fair shake. That's when I came across this VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Right out of the box, I was impressed. It's solid, aluminum construction, precision machine parts, and everything fits snug in that rugged little toolbox they included. You can tell it wasn't stamped out in some sweatshop with corners cut. The clamp feels hefty, the bits are clean, and the adjustability is straightforward. I had it mounted to a scrap board in no time, and within 20 minutes, I was drilling my first pocket holes. For someone who values tools that just work without fuss, this kit gets off on the right foot. Using it on a recent bookshelf build was where it really proved itself. I was working with both pine and some half-inch plywood. Nothing exotic, but enough to test the tool's metal. The jig held the boards firmly, and the depth adjustments were easy to set for different thicknesses. I liked that it came with 2 drill bits and a couple of square drive bits for driving the screws. Nice touch. The step drill did a decent job of creating clean pockets, and the pocket holes lined up well enough for strong joints. Now, I will say this. If you're building something where absolute precision is critical, like fine furniture or cabinetry, you might want to double-check alignment. I noticed on a few of the thinner pieces that the hole wasn't quite centered, and one screw head ended up a bit too proud. But for general DIY projects, shelves, frames, kids' furniture, it's more than capable. And for a retired guy like me whipping up projects in the garage, it's a real time saver compared to clamping up mortises. Let's talk durability, because that's where my eyebrows went up. The aluminum body is sturdy, no question, but I did notice something concerning after about a dozen holes. The drill guide started showing wear. Now, I'm not pushing hard, just using medium pressure on softwood, but I could see tiny aluminum shavings where the bit was rubbing. One of the drill bits also felt a bit loose in the guide bushing, which probably contributed to the slight wandering. It makes me wonder how long this will last if you're doing extended runs. The bits themselves? One performed fine, but the other didn't seem quite as sharp, like it came off the grinder a little dull. I've had Craig bits before, and those cut cleaner. I'm not saying this is a deal breaker, especially at this price, but if you plan on using this weekly or for bigger builds, you might want to budget for spare bits or even upgrade the drill guides down the line. That said, the wrenches, stop rings, and C-clamp are all solid. An included case keeps everything organized, something I appreciate more as I get older and can't afford to lose small parts. One thing I really liked was how easy it was to modify. I took a page from a few YouTube gurus and bolted it down to a dedicated work board with the pre-drilled holes. Now it's always set and ready, no recalibrating every time I want to use it. That's a game changer for someone like me who doesn't want to fuss with alignment just to build a simple bench. The 11-inch C-clamp holds tight, and the fixture doesn't budge when you're drilling. I use it for a weekend project helping my grandson build a doghouse. Nothing fancy, but seeing him get excited about joining it cleanly, that made the tool worth every penny. It's not just about efficiency. It's about making woodworking accessible and fun again. And at $42, That's less than half what some of the name brand models cost. And honestly, for most home projects, you don't need aerospace level precision. Now, I'll be honest, I had a moment of doubt. After drilling about 16 holes, one of the bits jammed in the guide, stuck solid, took some careful tapping to free it. And honestly, the guide looked like it had taken a beating. That's when I started wondering about the steel they used in the bushings. It doesn't seem hardened, and that's a concern. A good jig should handle repeated use without degrading. The drill bit itself wasn't holding up either. One was noticeably duller than the other. I ended up buying a set of replacement bits from another brand, and the difference in cut quality was night and day. So here's my advice. Treat this kit as a solid starting point, not a forever tool. It's perfect for getting into pocket hole joinery without breaking the bank. But keep an eye on wear and have a backup plan for bits if you're doing more than light work. All in all, I'd say the VEVOR Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a strong value. Is it perfect? No. Is it going to replace a Craig in a professional shop? Probably not. But for the home woodworker, someone like me who builds for fun, for family, for the joy of creation, it's more than up to the task. The build quality is impressive for price. It's easy to set up, and it delivers consistent enough results for everyday projects. I just wish the bits were sharper and the guides a bit tighter. Still, I can't fault it too much. I've owned tools 3 times the price that didn't perform as well out of the box. If you're on the fence, thinking it might not be worth it, I'd say give it a go. At worst, you've spent $40 on a learning experience. At best, you got a reliable, durable jig that opens up a whole new way to build. And for an old timer like me, that's pretty exciting. Well, if you made it this far, you're clearly serious about building something great. So don't let a loose screw or a missed opportunity slow you down. Like this video if it helped you out, and hit subscribe so you never miss a tip from this old woodworker. Let's build something solid together. Turn a simple joint into a lasting connection. See you in the next one.